one of another tool which is absolutely free. What it does and what it is the purpose. It's an SEO analyzer tool which perform in-depth SEO analysis for your website, blog, or it can be used for your clients. So you have to just open rankmath.com/tools SEO analyzer. As you can see over here in the browser, I have already opened the website tool. Now what it will do, it will give you a summarized brief report about your website. So let's suppose I will take one of my blog and just copy into this window over here, and now I will just click on this analyze. As you can see, it will give you a free SEO audit report in just a few seconds. So let me see one by one. First one is your score. As you see here, it shows 55 over 100. That means if your score is more, that is good. So you have to be correct all those parameters which will give you more score. Now here you see there is some past test. It shows 12/21. That's good. But here you see there is a one warning. Then we have to see what warning they are, and there are some few failed tests. We are not going in depth about this tool. Now we will see some common keywords. As you can see over here, if there is something missing, as you can see here are the most common keyword we found on your home page. So I think digital marketing blogging, it's okay, but the unit, as you see over here, it is something which is not related to my niche or blog. Then we have to see where this word is coming. Now we will see the second one, the SEO description. Okay, but here no meta description was found for your home page. We have to fix. How to fix it? You just click on this how to fix option. It will give you an idea. It will give you the way which you can improve your SEO meta description. Now as you can see, now we will see the H1 heading. This is the topmost heading in your blog. So they said no H1 tag was found on your home page. So how do we fix it? We just click it and it will show as there is no H1 tag. We have to see and correct them. Now the H2 tags, the second one most important tag, this also not found on this. First I just tell you, this website is right now running on Blogspot Google Cloud Server. So we have to face many difficulties onto Blogger. So I always recommend, please go to the WordPress, and if you don't have, just migrate it. Now we will see the another image alt attribution. So what is image alt attribution? As you can see, if there are images, pictures or photos on your website, you can see there is an attribution tab over here. So how to fix it? It already give you. Just go and rectify all these things. Now we will move to the next one, keywords in the title and the description. This is also missing. How to fix it? See, read and correct them. Like that, there are many things which you are seeing over here. It's basically give you a search overview, how it will show in the search engine, basically SERP results. Like that, it will give you a mobile search preview also, which is good, I think. Now it will show you the mobile snapshot also, canonical tag, no index, open graph, robot.txt, schema, image header. That means it will give you all basic and mandatory SEO rank reports which you can audit to your website, and if there is something missing and if there is something to improve, then you have to go rectify, fix the error and again and check the report. So as much as this score is high, it is well optimized. I hope this tutorial help you. Thank you.